What's up, guys? This is me and Ben here. We got them. Yep, both of them.
Today we're going to walk you through the 2019 G23, show you some of the new stuff, and Kyle.
And this beauty, the G25. I'm going to give you the rundown, make sure you know everything you need to know heading into boat trips.
Really stop.
Say hi, Scott! Alright guys, we're at the back of the boat, also known as the transom. I like to call it the party zone.
This is the spot where you're always entering and exiting the water, you're putting your boards on, you're jumping in the water with your surfboard. Got the transom cooler back here.
It's a perfect spot to hang out, relax before you get back on the water. Here we are below the water line here on the G25, and this is where the magic happens. You've got your Nautique configurable running surface to give you nice, big shaped waves and wakes. You also got your steering assist thruster here. This is built in with the steering wheel to help you turn, you can even turn going in reverse, which is huge now. Also, right here, the surf pipe gets all that exhaust out of your face when you're behind the boat surfing, goes into the prop wash and dissipates behind you.
Here is the Nautique surf system. As you can see, it's built nicely into the hull of the boat. When this is deployed, it comes down and out, redirecting all the water that is coming from underneath the boat over to the opposite side to create the surf wake.
And also you got clips here on your swim platforms. Those are so you can clip those off, and if you had any storage issues and wanted to take that off, you can get a couple extra feet when you're in putting it in a building or in a garage.
Swimming and you want music? No problem. Alright, here at the Helm, this is where I spend most of my time doing my demos and all my lessons, pulling people. We've got a race-inspired seat here, super comfortable. It's designed so that you can sit here and talk to everybody in the boat or watch the surfer if need be. The steering wheel is adjustable. You've got great vision out the front of the boat, an ergonomic design here, so it's very comfortable. You can sit here and relax while you're driving. A great place to hold your phone. A USB port here for charging your phone. Also here in the driver's seat we have our Nautique Helm control. This gives you all the main functions of the boat right here at your fingertips. You can adjust the volume or speed as easy as twisting this knob here. New for 2019, we have the frameless windshield. Very sleek design. Got awesome vents here for on hot days. Get some air in your face while you're cruising down the lake to keep you nice and cool. Got your heater vent and JL Audio wavefront stereo system, adding a whole layer of sound right here at your level.
Okay, on the G25, seating is king. This is the biggest boat in the lineup, and as you can see, there's tons of seating. You have the full wraparound seating as it is displayed right now. It's great for getting everyone in your crew together, all talking, having a good time. When the action starts behind the boat and you want everyone to be facing back, checking out everything, seeing the rider, really easy to convert. You can do everything with one hand, so you can always have one hand free. It's designed that way. It's really cool setup. Just pull here, bring that up. Now we're good there. And you got one latch here, brings it up. Super easy. Now everyone's back. They're all watching the rider. Everyone's having a good time. You can really enjoy the seating setup. Really easy to put back together to the original state. Once again, all done with one hand. It's all back to normal, ready to go.
Storage here. Here we have a 12-inch sub and your amps. Plenty of room. Take a nap.
Storage here. Storage here. And here. More storage here.
And storage here. And here. On the port side of the boat, we got a giant glove box that houses the stereo unit, and let's face it, everybody needs a place to throw their sunglasses, their wallet, and their Hey Kyle, can you get up and get me a drink out of that seat underneath you?
Well, Ben, I would love to, but I don't have to. The cooler's right there in the floor.
Oh, right here?
Right there.
That was easy.
So in the bow of the G25, you got tons of space. I mean tons. "55 inches of legroom." All right, so take a look at the walkthrough here on the G25. It kind of reminds me of a fashion runway. You know what's important about a fashion runway? That none of the models trip. And as you can see on this walkthrough here, there's no trip hazards. Nice and smooth, waterfall edge, easy access. The standard motor for the G25 and G23 is the 450 6.2 liter PCM. On this one, we have the upgraded 550 from PCM with his supercharged 6.2 liter. This thing is a beast, and you can load this boat up and have no problems doing anything you want to do. So the seating here in the Nautique, it's got high density foam, so it lasts forever. It's not gonna deteriorate on you and get saggy seats. Also, in this boat here, we got the Masters Blue color upgrade interior. It's a new option that they featured about a year ago. You're allowed to now match the color of the interior to the side of the boat.
All G-Series boats come standard with the industry-leading Roswell board racks for all your favorite water sports equipment. New to the 2019 G-Series lineup, the standard power tower. Having the ability to put the tower down makes storing your boat and keeping it clean that much easier. Here we are at the front of the boat, also known as the bow. People are always asking me, how does this boat handle rough water? Nautique has added the spray deflection system, sending all the water downward and not over the front of the bow. Nautique here has cupped the edge of the hull, allowing the boat to land very softly as it runs through the waves on the water.
All right, guys, there you have it. The G23 and G25 from Nautique. Best boats on the game.
If you have any questions about these boats that we didn't cover for future videos, or we can answer for you, leave a comment below and we'll try and get back to you. If you want to see more videos about Nautiques, hit subscribe and we'll see you next time.
What? Did we just become best friends? Yup!